Good afternoon, Robertson County Mayor Billy Vogel here, and I want to thank the Chamber for having this podcast where I can get with y'all and talk about today's events, and it has been one crazy day. Jordan may be jumping in to keep me straight because I've been on 2 conference calls and just got off, and we understand the governor had a conference too, and I'm going to touch on base of that a little bit. But in Robertson County, we have 27 confirmed cases. Tennessee has 1,834. We know these numbers will continue to rise because we are testing more people. Please use common sense and follow the CDC guidelines. Wash your hands as often as possible. Stay 6 feet apart and do not gather 10 or more people together. And you can find more ways to stay safe. This has not changed. It's still the norm. I'm asking people, hey, go out there and plant your garden. Gas is cheap. Get in your car and ride around and watch people farm. And it's a good time to clean out your house because solid waste is open and a lot of people are taking advantage of cleaning up and carrying stuff with goodwill. Stop going out with your whole family to shop with some of our businesses. My office has fielded numerous calls this morning from people upset that so many people gathered at one business on Saturday. First, let me say I cannot shut down any company. That call will be made by the governor or the health department. What I can do is suggest as strong as possible that some things people feel the need to purchase right now while we're in the midst of a pandemic could be considered a want and not a need, and please just stay at home. We all need to do our part to help stop the spread of this virus, and the best way to do that is for you to all stay home as much as you can. We all know there are things you need and must have. That is why places like grocery stores and gas stations remain open, but if people keep refusing to behave like our county is in an emergency situation, it will only hinder our chances of getting back to normal as soon as possible. I've talked with several mayors today. They're all going through the same thing I'm going in. We're feeling the pressure that the governor has got to be feeling. I only have one county and he's got 95. But I talked to the hospital this morning. They still have room for patients that are infected with this disease. They're doing an excellent job on our task force conference calls. The CEO of Northcrest, Randy Davis, is doing a great job. We have EMS on there, the EMA, the health department, city mayors, the chamber, and it's just, as we go over things with this, we're seeing how good everybody's working together and getting material out there that we need. I ask you to please, if you see these people that's working the front lines, like our EMTs, firefighters and all, commend them for the job they're doing because they are on the front line and they're taking a big responsibility doing this job. And a lot of us not able to see their families. I ask you to give blood if you can. The blood mobile is out, and I understand there may be a shortage of blood types. And I'd like to give a thanks to all my department heads and the people that are volunteering and working so hard to help us get over this situation. In the governor's orders, I would like to just touch on some things that he considers is not essential. Barbershops, hair salons, waxing salons, threading salons.
Threading.
Okay, thank you, Jordan. Nail salons or spas providing body treatment, body art facilities or tattoo services, tanning salons, massage therapy establishment, or massage services. Your entertainment and recreational go nightclubs, bowling alleys, arcades, concert venues, theaters, auditoriums, performing arts centers, or similar facilities, racetracks, indoor children's play areas, adult entertainment venues, amusement parks, roller skating, and ice skating rinks. This is part of his new order he come up with today, his executive order. I think he said it was number 22 or something like that. Of course, everyone goes back to the order number 17, where he's including you people staying at home and quarantining yourself. Please don't get out. If you see a business that is crowded, you don't have to go in there right then. Wait till the numbers get down to do your business. Whatever you can do today, there's always tomorrow. And you want to be healthy, not infect your family or elderly members in your family or the community. The sooner we all go by these guidelines, I think the sooner we'll get back to normal. And that's our goal. But I just want to tell you that Robertson County is working hard to ensure that business goes as usual, but we want it to be safe. Safe for everybody, and I appreciate everybody praying for each other. Help your neighbors. hey, make a phone call to an elderly person today and just check on them. And it's just seeing everybody work so hard and being so concerned. My office is getting calls daily from citizens that are confused or concerned. And we're trying to, the governor's gonna be in charge of this. When he sees time to do more, he will. And of course, the health department is on top of it too. They are very, very effective about who they need to be shut down and who don't. And of course, EMA with TEMA across the state is also one of the sources that will decide when things maybe get tighter or loosen up. Hopefully, we can keep the curve down in Robertson County. We do have neighboring counties that are hot spots, and I look for maybe someday there might be some action on them hot spots, but try to stay away from the hot spots if you possibly can. And that's all I've got, but I just want to tell everybody that everybody's here working hard, and hey, we're a village. As they say, it takes a village, that's what we are. And I appreciate the chamber for letting me have this opportunity. Thank you.